Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the environment. Open the 2025 app and verify you're signed into the account with the mesh face entitlement. Once done, enable experimental features so the new face pipeline appears. Next, import the provided asset package directly into your project folder and accept conversion prompts. This prevents mismatched formats. Make sure to back up the active scene now, because the conversion rewrites mesh topology, and you want a safe restore point. You now process the mesh, trigger automatic retopology, and set your target pol account to balance detail versus performance. 25K is a typical starting point. Then map PBR textures, base color, normal, roughness, OW, and any subsurface maps, making sure UV islands remain consistent. Once textures are assigned, transfer or rebind facial vertex groups and bone weights so animations stay intact. If weight transfer shows issues, run the weight blend tool and smooth the transition. You finish by baking lighting and morph targets, then export the finished mesh as FBX or keep it in the native 2025 format for best compatibility. After export, run a short animation suite. Smile, blink, phoneme shapes, and extreme poses to validate deformation. If you see shading artifacts or seam lines, rebake normals and check UV seams. Make sure to run the mesh cleanup routine to remove duplicate vertices or non-manifold edges. That quick fix solves most final.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.